Hello, we are presenting our grocery list program, a simple yet practical tool for managing a shopping budget efficiently. This program allows users to add items to a list, track their total spending, and receive real-time updates on the remaining budget. If they exceed their budget, they get an instant warning. So the program starts by asking the user to enter their grocery budget. This value is stored as a floating point number to handle decimal values accurately, which is right here. Then we have two key points here. We have our items. We put an empty list so that the user can add as many grocery items as they want, and a total here, which keeps tracks of their spending. The program then runs inside a while true loop, continuously displaying three options: add item, view list, or exit. This allows the user to interact with the program until they decide to stop. So adding an item, the user enters the item's name and price. The item is stored in a list, and the total cost is updated. If the total exceeds the budget, a warning message alerts the user, right here. So viewing the shopping list, which is right here, the program displays all added items, their prices and their total cost, and their remaining budget. If no items have been added yet, it informs the user that their list is still empty. And now exiting the program. This option allows the user to close the program safely, displaying a message exiting program, happy shopping. This ensures a smooth exit without abrupt termination. Now for error handling, one of the strengths of this program is its error handling and user-friendly approach. If the user enters an invalid option, they receive an error message prompting them to try again, preventing crashes. The program dynamically updates the total cost and remaining budget, helping users make informed spending decisions. Basically, in conclusion, this grocery list program is a useful tool for tracking shopping expenses. It effectively manages a budget, provides real-time feedback, and ensures a smooth user experience. This project demonstrates a strong understanding of the Python fundamentals which we learned in class, including loops, lists, and conditionals, and user input handling. If expanded further, it could include additional features such as item removal or category sorting. Thank you for watching. Okay, so now we're gonna run the code, make sure everything's working well in the output, and we don't have any issues. So first things first, it's gonna ask us to enter a grocery budget. So let's say we have a budget of $200 to spend on groceries. It's gonna give us three options: add item, view list, or exit. So for now, let's just view list. Let's say the user mixes up and decides to view the list first. Here it's going to tell him his shopping list is empty, or her. And let's start by adding items. So let's say item name, watermelon. The price of the watermelon, $30, let's just say. Here it's going to show us watermelon is added to the list and the total cost is $30. So let's view the list to make sure the watermelon is there. Here you go, shopping list, watermelon $30, total cost $30, and it will show the user the remaining budget. So let's add another item to make sure we can have multiple items into the list. Let's say berries. The price of the berries is $50, let's just say. Now let's view the list. Here you go, shopping list, watermelon is $30, berries is $50, total cost is $80. And let's say they exceed the budget. So let's add another item. Let's say TV. It's not grocery shopping, but whatever. The price of the TV is, let's say, $130. Here you go. Warning, you have exceeded your budget, and it will show them the total cost of everything they have to spend. And now if the user wants to exit the program, they could just click 3, and the terminal will tell the user exiting program, happy shopping.
Additional features. While this program is functional and user-friendly, there are several ways we can enhance it in future versions. First, we could add an item removal feature, allowing users to delete items from their list if they change their minds or make a mistake. Second, implementing categories for items such as fruits, dairy, or household supplies would improve organization and make the list easier to navigate. Another useful addition would be persistent storage, such as saving the shopping list to file or database. This way, user can close the program and resume their shopping list later instead of starting over. Lastly, we could introduce a discount and tax calculator, helping users get a more accurate total cost before checkout. By implementing these features, we can make the program even more practical and user-friendly for budget conscious shoppers.